Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video we are going to see some useful final year project ideas in Python. And this video is very helpful to you to get new ideas on Python projects that you are going to do for your academics. Okay. Before entering into this video, you need to know one thing, that is we are only focusing on project topics in this video. I'm going to explain these project topics with Python. And if you want these tutorials, I'm ready to make these project tutorials videos on my channel. So show your responses in the comment section and do like, share, comment, subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more good contents in programming. Okay, so let's start this video. The first one is face mask detection. During the pandemic situations, making the projects that create innovative impact is a very good thing for the society and for your resume also. This project also comes under this category. Before getting to the face mask detection project, you have to know the face detection and face recognition techniques that help you to do this project even easier. In Python, there are so many libraries are available to handle the face detection algorithm. But in this project, we have to go with the face detection and face recognition concepts. In the mask detection projects, we are using these two concepts to detect the face of humans who wear mask or not. Okay. In the subject of machine learning, you have to develop a trained model that is used to detect the human faces. As a human, we can easily predict the faces. But if you want to automate that work, you have to collect the dataset. The dataset means collection of data. In case of mask detection project, you need to download a suitable dataset for your project. Generally, in the mask detection project, you have the dataset of two columns. The one column contains the faces with a mask and other column contains the faces without mask. After getting the datasets, you need to train the data and generate a model for predicting faces. How to train the model? If you come from the machine learning background, it is easier. I am explaining this for non-machine learning streams. You have a dataset and it contains large amount of data related to mask detection project. Next step, you need to split the datasets into two parts, one for training and other for testing. From your dataset, you have to allow large amount of data for training. If you are allocating the large amount of data for training purpose, you will get a good accuracy as a result. In the training part, you have to apply the algorithms into your training data and finally use that model to predict the human faces. On the internet, there are pre-trained models available for the mask detection project. If you get that dataset and model, it will be very easy for you to finish this project. So this one is one of the useful project idea and it will help you to increase your value on your resume. Making the project on machine learning, data science, it will be similar. First you need dataset, training and testing and prediction. So this is the development life cycle of the model in the data science and machine learning project. Okay. And the second one is Google Meet bot. In the COVID times, the online classes are the biggest headache to me because when you miss the class timings, you will get into trouble. So create a Google Meet bot with the Selenium that will help you to manage the classes and it will give you attendance at the correct time. This project is a super simple one to do and it is very effective to handle the online classes. Before doing this project in Python, you need to be familiar with some libraries in Python. The libraries are Selenium, Schedule, Date and Time, and the concepts that you know are Python loops and functions. If you are good at these concepts, you can play with online classes. Now Selenium is an automation library in Python. By using the Selenium, we can do the browser automations. And the process of Selenium is taking the web elements from the browser with the help of Selenium to provide the commands to the web elements. This process will guide the browser according to your way that you assigned in the program. In Google Meet automation, first you need to assign the username and password credentials to your code. This is for login purposes. After completing the login process, the website will ask for the class code or link. We can merge the link with our code and it helps you to join the Google meeting. After this, you can use the schedule library to schedule the classes. Actually, this will work like if the user has class at 8 AM, using the schedule library, we can schedule the bot with class timings. When the time comes, it will automatically join the class without any interruptions, and if you want to give the attendance, you can use the schedule library to schedule the process of giving chat to your tutor. Actually, this is a very interesting project in Python automation. You can expect this automation project video on this channel. Okay, we already made so many automation videos on this channel regarding Selenium. By watching automation videos, you will get a good understanding of Selenium and how to assign the task by using the Selenium. I will provide the video link in the description. You can check that videos too before doing this project. And the third one is image processing on sleeping detection while driving. This project is very important for the people who fall asleep while driving. This project comes under the category of safe driving security. Most of the experienced drivers sleep while driving the cars at highways. It will cause major accidents. This project is used to prevent this kind of accidents. I will tell you how this project works in Python. In this project, we are using the OpenCV library for image processing and giving input as a user live video and training data to detect if the person in the video is closing eyes or showing any symptoms of sleeping or not. If the person is showing any symptoms related to sleeping and fatigue, this application will verify with the trained data and detect the drowsiness and raise an alarm which will alert the driver. Okay, now you can understand. First of all, consider you are driving. This project will integrate it with your car and it continuously record face and eye patterns of your live video. It will continuously store the data pattern. Begin the project, we use the machine learning algorithms to detect the face patterns. And it records your eye patterns also. If the eye crosses your boundary pattern value that is assigned in the code, it will start the beep sound. So this is very cool and helpful project for the drivers and it gives a high success rate to prevent the accidents on highways. Okay, so that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.